Me and this guy flying today. He's probably flown more than me. The dude's got a passport. Who knew? Look here, Rick. We're flying today. This guy's in mine. I think he flew here from Holland, so I think he's an experienced flyer. Seems to be all right with it so far. In pre-check. This guy likes pre-check. Never seen anyone so happy for a pat down. He loved the pat down. Follow him. Check this out. Woo! In that LAX pet relief area. Peed on the fire hydrant. What a good boy. Loading the plane right now. Alright, sitting up here in first class. Just sitting in the corner right now. Good boy. What a good boy. Alright, I just landed off the plane. Look at this guy. Whole plane ride is laid at my feet. Kind of farted a few times. It was tough. But yeah, me and this guy. Say hey, Rick. Rick's a champ.